They didn't change. Their interest did. At first, everything felt easy. They replied fast. They cared. They noticed small things about you, and then, slowly, something shifted. Replies got shorter. Energy dropped. You started overthinking every word, wondering what you did wrong. But here's the uncomfortable truth. People rarely suddenly lose interest. It just feels sudden to you. Interest fades quietly in patterns you don't notice in the moment. One of the biggest reasons is over-availability. When you're always there, always replying instantly, always adjusting yourself to keep them, you remove the tension. And without tension, the human brain stops feeling excitement. What was once interesting becomes predictable. Another reason is emotional imbalance. In the beginning, both of you invest equally, but over time, one person starts giving more, thinking more, caring more. And strangely, the more you chase, the more the other person pulls away. Not because you're not enough, but because humans naturally value what feels slightly out of reach. Sometimes it's also about mystery. In the early stage, they are discovering you. New thoughts, new sides, new energy. But if you reveal everything too quickly, if there's nothing left to explore, the curiosity fades. And curiosity is the fuel of attraction. Think about it. A conversation where you explain everything versus one where you leave a little unsaid. Which one stays longer in someone's mind? And then there's emotional dependency. The moment your mood starts depending on their replies, your energy changes. You become less relaxed, more reactive. And people can feel that. It creates pressure, even if you never say it out loud. So no, it's not always about you being not good enough. It's about dynamics shifting in ways you didn't notice. The real power comes when you stop trying to hold attention and start becoming someone who doesn't need to. When you have your own focus, your own pace, your own life, interest doesn't have to be chased. It naturally comes back because people don't just lose interest in others. They lose interest in what feels too easy, too predictable, and too dependent. And the moment you understand this, you stop asking, why did they change? And start realizing how human behavior actually works.